Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video I'm gonna walk you through how to download music on Mack app so that you will be able to listen the music when you are offline too. So to know more about this, you need to watch this video till the very end. Let's get started. So once you have downloaded your Mack app from your Play Store or from App Store, launch the app on your device. Click on the app Mack and find the music. Browse or search for the song, albums or playlist you wish to download. Like if I like to download the song of Billie Eilish, you can search your favorite artist or the song you want to listen. So now I'm playing any songs that is arrived here and to download. So here you can see the various option like playlist, more, download or share. Click on the option download to download it. So the download will begin, and once completed the track will be available in your library under the offline sections. You can go visit to your my library, go to your profile settings, and here you can see the option download at the very first, and click on the option download, and the song have been downloaded over here and it is playing it too. So that's how you can just download the song in your Mack app. You can listen these songs when you are offline, when you are walking, or when you are train, bus, or anywhere the internet is not connected. So you can also manage your downloads. So you can go to your library, find the track in your offline collection and manage it. So that's how you can download the song. The additional note is offline playback, download music section can be played without an internet connection. However, the downloads are stored within Mack app and can access through your device native music player. So you can also visit your Mack help center. There also might be premium content, while many tracks are available for free downloads, some may be restricted to Mack Plus subscriber. If you are Mack Plus subscribers, if you have taken a premium subscriber from Mack, you can download any kinds of song which have restricted to free downloads. Downloaded music consumes data. It recommends to use Wi-Fi to download or tracks to avoid using mobile data. If the download is only done when you are connected to the stable internet connections. So for more detailed information, you can refer to Mack's official help center to get help from them. So that's it. That's how you can do it. That's it for today. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.